welcome to Barista on YouTube channel. So still you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go to my description and subscribe to my subscribe button, then all the notification you will get. So today I'm gonna make very special my signature cocktail. So easily you can find this ingredient in your village or city, anywhere you can find this ingredient. So today I'm gonna use dark rum with coconut, and let's go for video. So no need to waste the time, then you can learn how to make signature cocktail at home. So we put fresh coconut inside the blender and some ginger, then plantation dark rum from Barbados. So we're using 40 ml Barbados, then 20 ml passion syrup. So actually this is a very good cocktail and it's a bit sweet and it's a summer cocktail. And coconut puree, just add 80 ml, and coconut water. Then we have to add ice here. Actually this is a frozen cocktail, so we put ice, then we blend it.